In this video, I'll be unboxing Green Smoothie Girl's Flash Fast. It's a quick and easy way to detox your body. We'll do that right now. Hi, I'm Kenny Loy and I'm a certified nutritionist. I've been helping people with their health since 1999. I've also been a high raw vegan since 1994. We're here to help you in going more raw to restore energy and immunity. If you're excited about learning a new way to detox your body with very little effort and just a little bit of discipline, hit that like button right now. Robin Openshaw, the Green Smoothie Girl, has developed a 3-day flash fast. It's a modified fast. She ships it to you in a kit that contains 5 meals a day for 3 days. Now these consist of flaxseed, different smoothie meals, and blend bars. Each day you get 4 smoothies where you mix some flaxseed in with it, and you also get 1 blend bar per day. So this fast contains fiber, so the detox isn't so intense. But it is, however, a modified fast, so you're limited to 800 calories per day, and that within a window of 8 to 12 hours. You choose which window you want. So it's really a form of intermittent fasting in a way. So what comes with each kit is a quick guide to help you get started. Now you can modify these meals easily by adding fruit to some of these, but you still have to keep within your 800 calories. Now when you first order the kit, you also get this Benefits of Fasting booklet that talks about modified fasting and all kinds of stuff about anti-aging, lots of frequently asked questions about the process of autophagy, all kinds of helpful science to help you understand the basics of the modified fast. Now you can subscribe to this and do this once per month or once per quarter. Once you subscribe to it, you won't get this book every time, but you will get all the meals and the quick guide. So we're going to start the morning off with a chocolate banana smoothie. Now this one's going to seem kind of weird. If you chop an organic banana in half and keep its peel, then you can get some extra prebiotic fiber for your gut microbiome. So this is extremely healthy. It gives your gut microbiota something to feed on. So we'll put in the chocolate mix and a little bit, just about a quarter or so of the packet of flaxseed. Let's blend it up. And let's pour this deliciousness into a glass. The next smoothie is vanilla with some mixed greens. Again, we'll put in a little bit of flaxseed from the packet. You divide this 1 packet throughout the 4 smoothies. And we'll put in vanilla powder. This is sweetened with stevia, so it's very sweet. Now, we keep the greens in the freezer until we're ready to use them, because if you just set them out, they will start to melt and get sludgy. So also they're kind of solid right now, so we got to break them up a little. And we'll pour in quite a bit, because you can really smush these in a little bit and get as much in there as you can. You can't have too many greens. What is your favorite way to fast or detox? Let us know in the comments below. Also, if you're getting value from this video, we would love it if you would like, subscribe, and ring the bell. Believe it or not, as green as this looks, it's still delicious. Now for our third smoothie, we're going to have chocolate with frozen raspberries. This one is absolutely delicious. Put in the chocolate powder with water, of course. Another portion of the flaxseed, and this is sprouted flaxseed, so it's very healthy. Put in the frozen raspberries, and this is going to taste like a piece of candy. Raspberry chocolate candy. pour that deliciousness up. And then we'll start with our fourth smoothie, which is going to be vanilla again, but this time with frozen peaches. Now, who couldn't get into peaches and cream, right? Am I right? Here's the rest of the flaxseed. And the second vanilla of the day. Oh, let's put in those frozen peaches. Mix it up. Let's pour this into a nice glass. Peaches and cream. Now, if you want more information, look in the link below in the description. Look at these delicious looking smoothies with that delicious blend bar. Actually, you can pack these up and take them with you to work. That's what I do. You can go about your normal day with these things. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss any future videos. We upload videos every week with healthy tips and recipes to get you to your best health yet. Be sure to check the links in the description for more information. Thanks for watching.